Hi folks, it's Mike Murphy. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up a Hostinger Virtual Private Server, or VPS. And then I'll show you how to install N8N, a very popular AI automation platform. First, we'll set up the Virtual Private Server, or VPS, which is nothing more than you just renting out a computer inside of a big shared supercomputer. Now you're sharing it with others, but your virtual server is private. Nobody has access to it but you. I'm setting up a VPS as my AI playground. This is going to allow me to work with large language models, do automations, work with Python scripts, and do all sorts of technical things that I want to explore with AI. In addition to all of the things that you can do on your own VPS, perhaps one of the best perks of setting up your own VPS is that N8N is completely free when you self-host it on a VPS. If you're not tech savvy and the idea of setting up and maintaining your own VPS just sounds like too much of a hassle, well, you can use N8N on their servers, and if I go to the pricing plan, you'll see it's going to cost $20 per month if you use their servers. Otherwise, you can set up a VPS like we're doing on Hostinger, and N8N will be 100% free. You'll just pay for the VPS costs. Now, you have many different hosting options if you want to do a little research, but I chose Hostinger. The reputation seemed good. The pricing, it's only $5 a month for the basic VPS, and they make it super easy to set up the VPS with N8N integration. Open a web browser, go to hostinger.com, or use the link in the description for a discount. But once you're on the home page of Hostinger, go to the top menu, click on Services. I'm going to choose N8N VPS Hosting. I'll click that, click Choose Your Plan. I'm going to choose the first option here, $4.99 per month. I'll click Choose Plan. Now for the $4.99 a month, you do have to sign up for 24 months or 2 years, but you have options here. Well, I'm on the AI journey for the long haul, and I plan on getting super nerdy with a VPS. So I'm going to select the 24-month option, which is going to cost me $120 for the 2 years. Even though it's recommended and probably a good idea, I'm just in playground mode for now, so I'm not going to select the daily auto backup option. Server location was automatically populated. I'm going to keep it on the United States as that's where I'm located. Now for the operating system. This is where Hostinger makes it super easy. You don't have to know what operating system that you want to install for your server. Some places you might have to. For me, I'm going to select Application, and I'm going to choose N8N, which automatically populates the operating system. If you have a coupon code for Hostinger, you can add it here. Otherwise, I'll click Continue. Then it's going to make you sign up for a Hostinger account if you haven't already done that. If you have, you can click Login to log into your account. Once you sign up and sign in, just follow through the checkout process and submit your payment. Payment was successful. Now it's asking me if I want to install this additional scanner, which is going to protect my VPS from threats. It's free, so I'll keep it checked and click Continue. Now you need to create a root password. This is going to be the password that you use to sign into your VPS. Now I use 1Password to manage all of my passwords, so I just created a password for a server, and I'm going to paste it in here. The VPS host name, I'm going to keep it as is. You can see you can change it later. And this is optional to create an SSH key. I'm not going to add that now, so I'll just click Continue. I'm one step away from finishing the setup, so I'll click the button Finish Setup. And this process will take about 5 minutes, and they will email you when the process is complete. The process is complete. Now I'll click Manage VPS. That is all you need to do to set up your own virtual private server or VPS on Hostinger. How easy was that? And what's even easier, doing it the way that we did, N8N was automatically installed. To learn more about how to use N8N, you can click on Learn More to open up the knowledge base on Hostinger. Otherwise, you just click on Manage App, and now you're going to set up your owner account for N8N. You can fill out the little survey to have N8N customize it for your experience. Now don't miss this step. When you first set up your self-hosted VPS option for N8N, it is locking you out of a few things that are available on the paid plans, but it's saying you can unlock these with a free activation key. You just have to enter the email address, click Send Me a Free License Key, When you get the email from N8N, all you need to do is click on the button Activate License Key. And I'll just point out, you have 14 days to activate the license, so just do it as soon as it comes. You're going to sign in, and it should automatically say registered once you click on the button. If it doesn't, you can go back to the email, copy it, and manually paste it in, but as long as it says registered, there's nothing else you need to do. Congratulations, your virtual private server and your N8N account are set up and ready to go. And what's great about this setup is that you're still going to be building your automation workflows using the main N8N interface. So you're not on some special light version because you're on the self-hosted plan. You're using the same N8N that you would use if you were on a paid plan. And that is how to set up your own virtual private server, or VPS, on Hostinger, and how to set up a free N8N account so you can start building AI automation workflows. And I will leave a link to my referral code in the description of this video so you can get an additional discount when you sign up on Hostinger. And if you have any questions about any of this, please leave a comment. I'll be happy to help. My name is Mike Murphy. Cheers.